How about we put a second one on? So guys, it has a little bit of weight to it, but not that much. I mean, my friends, today we are reviewing the famous PowerSmart 2350 watts inverter generator. 79cc, it's a 4-stroke engine. It's rated at 1900 watts. Starting wattage can handle up to 2350 watts. We're gonna be using this at our cabin, and I'm pretty excited to be testing this out for you guys. So let's go ahead and show you everything you get inside the box. Oh my word, look at that beauty. So inside the box, it comes with a funnel. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful portable generator. Breathable cap. You can turn it on and off for the cap. I love how everything is enclosed and easy access, so right access for the spark plug. So far, I am very impressed. And here's where you put the oil. This is pretty incredible. Plenty of room to access. Wow. PowerSmart really stepped up their game with this unit, making it so sleek. I mean, the design team definitely deserves a raise. Over on the side, you can see the exhaust, and you can take it off with a screwdriver or a flat head. So you can take off the plastic piece if you need to get access to the side. On the other side here, you have your pull start. I really can't get over how amazing they set this up. Now this has automatic shut off. You must move the generator to an open outdoor area, point the exhaust away, don't run the generator in enclosed areas like a house or a garage, move to fresh air and get medical help if sick, dizzy, or weak. Now let's take a look on the front here. Look at this. It has indicator lights, run over oil, CO lamp. It has economy mode, which is you can turn it on or off. You have your choke right there. You have your on and off right there. I believe this is for a ground wire as well. You have your DC circuit breaker reset right there. Another reset button on the top. Now this one says press to reset. You have a 12-volt plug port right here. And you have your AC 120 volts right here. You have 2 of them, and you have 2 USB ports as well. Well, my friends, what do you say we get testing this out? And if you're wondering about its weight, my friends, it has some weight to it, but not that heavy. It's actually pretty impressive. So guys, it has a little bit of weight to it, but not that much. I mean, I'm not sure the exact size or the exact weight, maybe 35 pounds, 40 pounds, 50 pounds, something like that. Okay, now make sure you do your pre-startup checkup, and that is gas, oil, turn the cap on, turn the choke on, and have the red button to run. So again, turn this on. Over here, pull the choke out, turn this to run, and then we pull it. It says before trying to start it, you must add the correct amount of oil, which it recommends 10 W30 4-stroke engine oil, and it says the oil can handle 16.9 fluid ounces of oil. As soon as you get it started, push the choke in. Now, as you can hear, it is super quiet. Like, this thing is really, really quiet. So I recommend adding at least 10 ounces of oil minimum. That's my personal recommendation. Make sure you have the oil added. And again, just to recap, I know I've gone over it, but there's a couple steps people forget. Number one, on top of the gas lid, turn it to open. The red button on the front right there, turn that to run. The black little plug above it, pull that out. That's the choke. Make sure it has gas, make sure it has oil. And then go ahead and pull it a couple times and it should start. As soon as it starts, push in the choke, which is above that red button, push that choke in and you're good to go. We're gonna turn on eco mode now. Okay guys, so eco mode, this is eco mode. I guess we had it turned on. So this is eco mode, which it would probably, it's gonna conserve less energy, less gas, less oil, and also it's going to probably not charge as high. And then this is without eco mode. So that's with eco mode off. Now let's put this to the test. This is our portable solar state power station. This power station can charge up to 850 watts, I believe. That's higher than most solar power stations. Let's see if it actually maxes out the 850 watts from this. Here you can see how much it's charging. This is on eco mode. So eco mode is on. Let's turn it up. Let's turn eco mode off. So 618 watts, that's how much it's charging. Eco mode is turned on. It's actually charging a little more watts on eco mode. That's pretty impressive that it can handle that. That's very impressive that it's pushing over 600 watts. Keep in mind, an in-house electrical system can push out 850 watts on this. So if this is doing almost 650 just from a gas generator, that's very impressive. That is absolutely impressive. This is gonna work great at our cabin. This is gonna power a lot of items, including power banks like this. When we have no sun, and you guys can see it's working perfectly. To turn it off, you just simply turn it to the off position. Yep, I have to say this is very impressive. How about we put a second one on? So there you can see the watts at the bottom. We have eco mode on. So it's pushing about 80 watts, 620 watts. Now this one can't charge as high as this one. So this one charging high, it's designed for that. So the fact that it's doing 80, that's impressive. And of course it affects it no problem whatsoever. There's no stalling, there's no issues. It just instantly handles both of these like it's nothing. So together this is less than 900 watts, and it can handle 1900. Yes, keep that in mind. It can handle a peak of 2,350 watts, but it can handle sustained watts of 1900. So we could put another 1,000 watts on this system. That's right, another 1,000 watts, and it could hold it. It's pretty incredible, my friends. Very incredible. And when you turn it off, there's no popping, there's no backfiring. It just instantly stops. The power is now stopped, and that's it. As soon as you turn it off, that's it. And it will let you know if it needs oil. Incredible, guys.